and welcome back to Jolie Knots Crochet. I'm Crystal, and today we are going to be doing an unboxing. We're going to do a sneak peek of the projects that are upcoming. So I have recorded this video once previously. My recording didn't take for whatever reason, so we can't open the box in front of you, but I will show you what's inside of it. Now, I did order the ZZ Twist yarn. That was on sale for $1 with Lions brand. Most of you know about it. If you don't, ZZ Twist yarn was on sale for $1 a skein with Lions brand, and I ordered 40 skeins. So I spent about $50 with shipping. I ordered 5 colors only. So I ordered 10 of 3 colors, 5 of 2 colors. So I want to show you what I got. Now, I did hear that the Lions brand ZZ Twist was a very thin 4-weight yarn. I did order this yarn for that specific reason. I got Ecru Taupe, Cranberry, Grape, and Jelly. Grape, Cranberry, Ecru, Gray, and Taupe is here. There we go. Okay. So these are the 5 colors that I got. Hopefully you can see them well on camera. I know that grape one is a little bit dark, but let's see if we can get a good lighting on it. So these are the colors that I got. Now, like I said, I did order them because I heard that the reviews were that it was a lighter 3-weight yarn. They are categorized as a 4-weight yarn. However, I ordered them because of those reviews stating that it was more like a 3-weight. And I would definitely agree with that. The colors are beautiful. I love all of the colors that I chose. I ordered 10 and a couple of these colors and 5 and a few of the other ones. I've got a lot of ideas for these. If you have some ideas of what I can use with these below, leave a comment. Let me know what sounds good to you and what you would like to see. Last month I did a lot of wearables. Now, wearables are easy for me when I'm making them for myself, but when I have to use math and adjust them for sizing, it makes it a little bit more difficult. So I did focus a lot on that in February. In January, I made a lot of smaller items. So let me know what you want to see in these, if they're wearables, if they're smaller items, if they're summer bags, if they are whatever it may be. Let me know what you want to see. That's my unboxing. You will see something made with these yarns upcoming. Okay? Now, if you typically follow me and you watch my videos, you know that in every unboxing and every pattern roundup and whatever I do that actually shows my face, I show you what I am currently working on. So I've got 3 projects in the works. The first one will be out sometime mid next week, so it is coming soon. And what we've got is the last warm winter item that I will be releasing for this season. This is a V-neck sweater and is worked in vertical rows. So we're just going to be going up and down, back and forth, creating in 2 different panels and then working on the arms. We've got that cinched opening, excuse my non-weaving in ends. And that's what it's going to be like. That cinched bottom. This one's just in a solid color. My testers are working a lot in different colors, variegated yarn, so you'll see a lot of those coming up. This will be the next one. Ideally, I don't know when they're going to release. I don't know how soon I'm going to give my testers to work them, but I've got 2 other things. One is a summer top, also wearable. I did create this pattern for this top specifically. It is worked in rows, however it looks like they are vertical, going down like this. So it is like an oversized kind of tee, if you can tell that. And that's what it's gonna be like. That is Oski. Oski, come here. Let me show you guys Oski. Say hello. That is Oski. He is the loud one where you typically hear the clack, clack, clack in all my videos. He sounds like a horse because he's a big 80-pound dog, and this is what he sounds like. So if you wonder what that sound is, it's totally all right. So summer t-shirt, spring t-shirt, whatever it is you want to call it. If you're summer or you're spring, however that works. I am in Southern California. I am ready for something a little bit cooler. And the warm stuff doesn't really work year-round here. So that's all I got to say. I've got one more thing. I made this crossbody bag over a year ago. This one here is double-stranded. This one is a 100% cotton. I did it in a somewhat ombre effect. Hopefully you can't see how dirty it is on this camera because I've been using it for a year. But I've got the black and turquoise and ecru, and then the ecru just on top with a nice big button. And that's what I have recreated for you guys for this summer because I did not have a channel last summer. I've made it in a couple of different ways. In the video, when I create that, I will explain to you the customization and the yarn that you will need for this. Now, it's definitely a very wide variety of what you can use. This one I made here with 2 yarns. I made this one in a very light bulky 5 and a very light 3-weight yarn. So you kind of have that different, you got that two-toned kind of texture happening. I also made one in just a bulky 5-weight yarn. This one's actually a medium 5-weight yarn. I did not add a button to this one, but I kind of wanted to do it with a variegated yarn, just that one, and kind of just be able to see the variegation throughout. So this will be worked in a very tight stitch. So keep your eye out for those last 3 projects. Let me know what you want to do with the ZZ twist yarn that I got and what your ideas are for this one. I am on Instagram at Jolie Knots Crochet, and I am on Facebook at Jolie Knots Crochet. I do have a Jolie Knots Crochet community group on Facebook where we have over 700 people sharing their Jolie Knots creations. I would love for you to join the Jolie Knots Crochet community on Facebook and show us what you've created. All right. Thank you everybody for watching. If you like these videos, let me know. I am not certain if I should be doing yarn unboxings, if I should be doing these upcoming projects. I don't know if people really want to see them. I don't get a lot of views on them compared to some of my other videos. So let me know what you're interested in seeing. Thank you everyone for watching, and I will see you next time. The Lions of brand ZZ Twist was a very thin 4-weight yarn. I did order it for that reason. I did order it for that specific reason. Oski, lay down.